I have a Samsung oven flashing a SE error code. We have tried unplugging and replugging. The appliance repairman suggested it is the control board and said I could replace it myself. The number printed on it is DE4100376B. Is that still a good number? Is it recommended to do it myself? No older than 2012 since that date is stamped on the control board. I cannot find the oven's model number, but the owner's manual is for models NE594 Robzer, NE594 Robrew, and NE594 Rob. It was in the house when we bought it 2 years ago. I have been inside the control area where I unplugged and replugged all connections. BTW, the stove top is still working.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. Okay, so first let me explain what your error code means. Error SE means that the touch control panel is shorted. If unplugging the oven for 5 minutes won't reset the error permanently, then you need to replace the touch control panel, not the circuit board. You need the full model number to look up the correct part number, and the full model is located on a sticker around the front frame of the oven. You can see the model if you just open the door or remove the drawer below the door if there is one.
Thanks. I found the model N.W. 594R0 ABSR. Dated Sept 2012. I am looking at an exploded view of the control area. There is the control box, the range oven control board, the range membrane switch, and the range control panel assembly. Which of these do I need? Here is the link, http://www.searspartsdirect.com/model number/NE594R0/30000/1482/0124111.html.
Thank you. You need part number DG3400020A, which is 1 to 2 on the diagram.
Excellent. Thanks a bunch.
No problem, and good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.